Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop uh, Filmora updates. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for the Filmora updates, there isn't like much thing that you can do since Filmora is using like the cloud to start like synchronizing within your settings, etc. And basically, even if we go to the settings, you won't be able like to really find something that you would uh, use like to stop Filmora from updating. And even if we go to preferences by going to the file, you will find like these preferences. And from here in the general, all you will be able to find is in the miscellaneous settings, you will find these check for updates automatically. And basically, there is no choice for never. And that means that it will always check for updates. And then whenever an update is found, you will find or you will be able like to update your Filmora. Otherwise, you can, even if you go to the manual place where you go to the view menu or the help menu, and then you go to about and you find like the version, and simply if you go to check updates, it will start like checking the updates for your Filmora, and it will tell you if it's like the latest version or not. So as you can see, you are using the latest version, and basically you can start like adding just features, but it is the latest version. And as you can say, you there is nothing that you can do about it, and all you can do is like to make it wait longer, like to only check for updates for every week, or you can simply like cut the internet on Filmora, but you won't be able like to start using Filmora on uh, its own full potential, like the AI tools are using like uh, Filmora APIs or services from the web, etc. So basically, you won't have much thing to do about it. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.